Hello everyone and welcome to our top 5 picks of the best cleaner apps for your iPhone. We'll be giving you a fair and balanced look at what each offers, including their pricing models, their pros and cons, and so let's dive in. And starting with number 5, we have AI Cleaner. When it comes to the pricing, it typically offers a free version with daily limits, but unlocking full functionality usually requires a subscription. We're talking around $9.99 per week or $39.99 annually. And when it comes to the pros and cons, on the pros, it promises to use AI for smart cleaning, covering photos, videos, contacts, and even calendar events. It has a visually appealing interface and is designed to tackle various types of clutter. On the downside, with the cons, based on user experiences, its core AI functionality can sometimes be a bit unreliable, with inconsistent accuracy in detecting similar photos or choosing the best shot. Of course, we hope this gets better as the time moves on. Users have also reported occasional crashes and slower scan times, making the experience less smooth than ideal. The high weekly subscription cost for what can be an inconsistent performance also makes it a less compelling value. However, the pros also are worth considering as mentioned earlier. And at number 4, we have Cleaner Guru. Cleaner Guru's pricing is at $7.99 per week or $39.99 per year for its full features. But you'll need to be aware that activating the trial can sometimes automatically sign you up for the subscription if not cancelled manually and on time. When it comes to the pros and cons, starting with the pros, it boasts a sleek, modern interface and generally offers fast scanning speeds. It can effectively identify and group similar photos, and many users enjoy its gamified swipe to delete feature, which makes cleaning feel less of a chore. It also includes video compression and contact management. On the downside, the biggest drawback of Cleaner Guru is its relatively high weekly subscription costs, especially when compared to other options. While there is a free trial, many essential cleaning features are paywalled, meaning you can't truly test its effectiveness without committing to a subscription or encountering limitations. And at number 3, we have Cleaner Kit. Cleaner Kit comes with a $6.99 per week payment or a $34.99 payment per year. And when it comes to the pros, this app provides a very comprehensive suite of tools, going beyond photos to include video compression, contact management, and even features like a secret space for private files. Its AI-powered photo sorting is generally accurate and its video compression is quite effective. The interface is also visually appealing and user-friendly. On the downside, with the cons, while feature-rich, the free version is quite restrictive, often demanding that you watch a significant number of ads to perform cleanups, which definitely can be time-consuming for a large amount of data. The initial scan can also be quite slow, and its value comes primarily from its paid version. At number 2, we have the Cleanup app. The Cleanup app has a 7-day free trial, but if you want to pay on a weekly basis, you'll be paying at $7.99 per week. If it's annually, you'll be paying $49.99 per year. Now on the pros, this app is highly effective for managing photo and video clutter with a very intuitive swipe to sort interface that makes reviewing and deleting items easy. It operates offline, ensuring your privacy as your media isn't uploaded. It also offers solid video compression and can assist with contact and even email. It's often praised for its ability to identify truly similar photos. On the downside, with the cons, the main point to consider is its pricing model. While the 7-day trial is generous, the automatic subscription activation can be a surprise for some users if they're forgetful. Its user experience, while clean, can sometimes feel a bit less fluid than its top competitor in terms of navigation for certain features. And at number 1, we have Clever Cleaner. When it comes to the pricing, this is where Clever Cleaner truly stands out. It is 100% free with no hidden costs, no recurring subscriptions, and no intrusive ads for its core features. The developers of this app have even promised that early users will continue to receive new features for free if anything changes in the future. When it comes to the pros, Clever Cleaner excels at its primary job, which is accurately identifying and helping you delete duplicate and similar photos, clearing out screenshots and converting live photos to stills to save space. Its AI detection is highly accurate and the app itself is incredibly straightforward, fast and easy to use. The lack of paywalls or ads provides an unmatched user experience for free. On the downside, while it does its core job exceptionally well, it's not an all-in-one cleaner. It primarily focuses on photo and video cleanup and does not offer features like contact management, email cleaning, or advanced system monitoring that some other apps include. And while this might be features that might be added in the future, this is a current con. So there you have it, our top 5 picks for iPhone cleaner apps with a detailed look at their offerings and pricing. And ultimately, the best app for you will depend on your specific cleaning needs and budget. And this will help you to make the most informed decision for your iPhone. We're hoping you found this helpful and thanks for watching.